My dear students, today I am going to explain you linear pair sum. Okay, in which you have to find x and y value. The question is, first question is 152x minus 378y equals to minus 74, and minus 378x plus 152y equals to minus 604. So the solution is here. We find that the coefficients of x and y in one equation are interchanged in the other. So we will add the given equation, and from it we will get an equation of the form x plus y equals to a, and similarly by subtracting we will get an equation of the form x minus y equals to b, and then easily we will get x and y value. This method is easier to solve. Otherwise, it is too much confusing. Multiplication and division lies, but it is the convenient way to find the x and y value. So by adding these two equations, we get here minus 226x minus 226y equals to minus 678. Now minus 226 we are taking common. Then here x plus y is left in the bracket, and that is equals to minus 678. So x plus y equals to minus 678 by minus 226, and that is equals to 3. This is divisible. 678 is divisible by 3, so that by 226. And now, so one equation we get x plus y equals to 3. Now in the same way, by subtracting, here first equation 152x minus 378y equals to minus 74 we write up, and minus 378x plus 152y equals to minus 604 we write down. And you know that since when we are subtracting, the sign of the terms which are written below are changed. So 8 sign, 378 sign becomes plus. Now we'll consider it plus, not minus. 152 sign become minus, and 604 sign become plus. So here you find both have different signs. So we subtract and we get 530. Larger number 604, its sign is plus, that's why plus 530. Now here again both have same signs. So we add it and we get here 530, 530 y. Here again both have same signs. So we add it and we get 530x. So 530 we are taking common, and in the bracket x minus y left equals to 530, and this implies x minus y equals to 530 by 530 equals to 1. So now these two equations, x plus y equals to 3 and x minus y equals to 1, these two equations we add, and then by adding we get here x plus y equals to 3, x minus y equals to 1, y cancel, so 2x equals to 4, and therefore x equals to 2. And this x value 2 we are putting in equation 1, that is x plus y equals to 3. So y equals to 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 2. So y equals to 1 and x equals to 2. This is the answer of this question. Now similarly, one more question we will see. And the question is, solve for x and y. 47x plus 31y equals to 63, and 31x plus 47y equals to 15. Here also you find the coefficients of x and y in one equation is interchanged in the second equation. That means the coefficient of x in the first equation becomes the coefficient of y in the second equation, and the coefficient of y in the first equation becomes the coefficient of x in the second equation. So again we apply the same method. So by adding we get here 78x plus 78y equals to 78, and 78 we are taking common, then 78 into x plus y equals to 78. This implies x plus y equals to 78 by 78, that is equals to 1. So this x plus y equals to 1. equation 1. Now by subtracting we get 47x plus 31y equals to 63, and below this 31x plus 47y equals to 15. Now all the terms which are written below, its sign is changed. Here its sign was plus, so it became minus. Now 31 sign we will consider minus. 47 sign is plus, but now we will consider is minus. And here 15 sign was plus, but now we will consider minus. And by subtracting it, we get 48. Here we get minus 16y, and here we get 16x. Now 16 we are taking common, and 16 into x minus y equals to 48. This implies x minus y equals to 48 by 16, that is equals to 3. And now these two equations, equation 1 x plus y equals to 1 and x minus y equals to 3, we are adding, and by adding we get here y cancel, 2x equals to 4, and then therefore x equals to 2. And this x value 2, if we are putting in equation 2, then equation 2 is x minus y equals to 3, and x minus y equals to 3, and x value is 2. So now by subtracting, we are getting here x minus y equals to 3 and x plus y equals to 1. So by subtracting, sign is changed, x has cancelled, so minus 2y equals to minus 2, and therefore y equals to minus 2y2, that is equals to minus 1. So y value is minus 1 and x value is 2. So in the same way, you have to try yourself. 2 questions I am giving so that you can have command over such type of questions. The first question is 23x plus 29y equals to 98, and 29x plus 23y equals to 110. Its answer will be x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. And second question is 37x plus 43y equals to 123, and 43x plus 37y equals to 117. Its answer you will get x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe, and you should try these 2 questions yourself. Thank you.